You want a lathe that's as versatile as your turning? Experience what the new 1440 lathe from Jet has to offer. With a sliding and pivoting headstock, variable speed, and choice of benchtop or floor standing model, this lathe is how versatility takes shape. If you're looking for a versatile lathe that's ideal for a wide range of projects, don't miss the Jet 1440 lathe. Jet stands by our tools, just like you stand behind your work.